Hello, I'm Lelda Smits for the Capital Network, and joining me from Smart Parking is its CEO, Paul Gillespie. Paul, welcome.
Hello.
Now, Paul, why is car parking perceived as a challenge?
Well, I guess everybody's journey, as soon as you get in the car, starts and ends with a parking event. And of course, we all want to go to fun, exciting places, cities, city centres, and other events and the like. So of course, and there's lots of cars. Car ownership's growing, people are growing. So as a result, the pressure on the curbside is becoming greater. So I guess by the natural growth of any city, it's going to become more of a challenge to park your car anywhere in town or outside of town, in fact.
Okay, and can you explain how the industry has evolved over the past 10 years and where opportunities may be arising now?
The industry has changed significantly for me personally as well since 2002 when I first got into this marketplace, but predominantly in technology. So we've seen huge strides in how you pay for your parking via your mobile phone back in 2003 when that first started, through to using your number plate to be recognised and pay for your parking as well, through to parking enforcement as well, which again through number plate recognition. So the key changes have been in through the evolution of technology and the use of technology and the adoption of technology.
Okay, so on that technology front, which are the first countries that are really picking this up? And also, can you give us an idea of the industry globally?
I guess in terms of countries, parking is huge all over the world, right? Because if you look at countries like the US, Australia, the UK, mainland Europe, all these cities have issues with finding space or pressure on the curbside and places to park your car. So for years, so since the 40s and 50s, parking meters have been used, where you put your coins in. But of course, places like the UK, quite an advanced parking marketplace, early adoption of pay-by-phone parking. So I guess the UK is a place where it's grown quickly. However, places like New Zealand, a very small country, adopt technology much quicker again. So we're installing a fair amount of our technology in New Zealand, and essentially, that's where innovation takes place as well in those kind of areas. So all over the Western world, I would say.
That is a very big market opportunity. And the final question, you have mentioned technology, but where do you believe we're likely to see, what are the biggest developments you think we're likely to see and the most exciting ones coming up in the parking industry?
Well, I'd like to think technology that we're providing is exciting and being implemented across the world. Having said that, the cars are becoming more connected, and we're getting to cities are becoming connected. And I guess you may have heard of the Internet of Things. Well, we at Smart Parking sit front of centre of that particular marketplace for parking with our in-ground sensing technology. And real-time information, we're providing that to customers right now. So I do see that growing. To a point where the car clearly is going to park itself using real-time information provided by companies like ourselves to direct cars on their own to free parking spaces. So that's essentially where I see it going in the coming years.
Well, that's certainly many exciting things to look forward to. Thank you for your time and explaining that today.
Thank you.